100% polyester. Imported. Stylish and fun kids shower curtain with playful printed pattern. Stitch reinforced shower ring holes add durability and make installation easy. Shower rings, hooks not included. Use with an interior shower curtain liner, not included. Fabric curtain is not waterproof or water resistant. Easy care shower curtain. Machine wash cold, non-chlorine bleach when needed. Tumble dry low, do not iron. Dimensions. 72 by 72 inches, LXH, fits standard bathtub shower stalls. Top reviews from the United States. Prefect shower curtain. It's a beautiful shower curtain. Easy to clean, lightweight, and overall value for the money. I think it really brightens up the bathroom too.